Hello guys, now I'm going to teach you how to make a form like this with this background and some shadows on the bots. First you need to open a folder here uh, and in the folder form, yes, if I open the form and I need to open the command prompt, so I use this command and then you need to do code space dot to open VS Code on that folder. If it not works, do install VS Code from Google. Then create a new folder called index.html. Then go to this link. I'll give the link in my description. Copy the code in this and paste it here. I'll explain you what this code is. If I create a new HTML file, use shift +1, you'll get the basic skeleton of the HTML page where it will be same as the element you copied and pasted. The thing which is changing is the body and the section page. This is where the form is going to be. If you go on and click go live, it will open the URL for you. See, here's the input and here's the submit button, but it was not quite good, right? We need to change it like this one, yeah, this one. So this is the basics. Like in HTML you can create the inputs, the labels you want, the header tag, the submit button and everything. If you want to style it like this one, you need to add CSS to this. If you want to add CSS to this, you need to create a CSS file like style.css, and we need to import the CSS link here in the header tag, like link. If you type link, it will give the style sheet and the href tag, and then import the styles here. After that, you will get the link here. I will give the link in the description. And copy everything like from the start to end. Then paste the thing in your styles. We have given the styles here and it will be imported here, and the form will get the styles. Like, see how our form will be now. See, our form has inputs. If I remove the styles tag, like form styles, no, styles, see how it will be. If I remove the styles, the color, the size and the alignment, everything will be changed. If we again allow the styles to have impact on it, then see how the page has changed. This is how to create an input, output and a form, and I'll explain each and every part. Like, see, this is the skeleton which we will create from shift 1. After that we need to import the style sheet. After that we need to create a session in the body, and the name is container. The class name is container. We need to create a div and the class name is container, and we give a title called Google form inputs. See, Google Form inputs to the Google Sheet. If I change this title to Hi, who are you? Then see, the title has changed. And the description, if you change the description, this thing will be changed. And here's the main things comes from form, label, id, and this id and class names are used to give styles for my elements. If I remove the survey form from id, then see, see the padding, the margin, and if I remove the container, see, these are changed because we have inputted the container here. See, container width, height, right, left, background, backdrop, filter, everything we have mentioned here. So if we do change something, the elements will be changed. Now I'll explain what is label and input is. Label is the name which you label the things, like this one. This is name, right? Name, you want to mention name. If I want to change the name to phone number, I can change it by writing the name component. See, I have changed the name to phone number. This is the placeholder where enter your name is present, like see, placeholder, enter your name. If you change this, that thing will be changed. Likewise, I used 3 inputs, 1 2 3. See, 1 2 3, and there is a submit button, right? And it will be like, it was also an input box. And the type, we need to change the type. If you change the type to email, you can only enter the email. If you change the type to number, you can only enter the number. You can't enter characters like abcd, like that. Input type submit, id submit, and value is equal to submit. This thing make the submit button. If I comment this, see, the submit button is gone. If I recommend this, see, the submit button is here. Like this is the html skeleton of this form. Yeah, this is where I want to explain the css part. At import url defines the Google font which I want to use in this project, like root accent color. This is the color. If I give accent color everywhere, like this color, if I use accent color here, I don't want to mention these colors. It will take this accent color as this color, so it will be easy. And the star defines the margin. Margin means the star defines everything in the website. And the margin, padding, box sizing, font size, font family, color. You have been familiar with css as I do. This image, see, you wanna see this image? See, I used this as the background image for this thing, and I blurred this area. I use this as the background image. The link is given here. The H1 means the header tag. I want the header font size like this, and text to be aligned in center, margin bottom, like everything will be like this. And you can change the background color also. You need to be a little familiar with css, I think so, because css is very easy, man, and it's waste of time to explain the CSS. And the media screen, I want to explain about this one. This media screen allows you to change your web page into mobile structure. Like this is the web page, and if I visit this web page in mobile, in iPhone XR, see, the web page will be like this, and the form will be like this. This thing helps you to do responsive websites. Like you can change the body only for media screens, only match with its 86 pixels, and you can change the container padding and checkbox section. Actually, I had used many of the things here, and I had changed the sizes, only sizes for the mobile phones. And it's the end of the section. In next session, I'll help you how to get the inputs on Google Sheet. Like uh, the inputs which are given here will be updated on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I'll help you with more things soon as possible. Do support me and subscribe me. Thank you guys. Bye.